Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will see that how to evaluate expression a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let's get started. So you can see the Python code which has 4 lines, in which first line a refers 3. So wherever a will be used, value is 3. Again b which refers to, so wherever b will be used, value is 2. Now third line c refers an expression which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in this case a will be replaced by 3 and b will be replaced by 2. So 3 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 3 into 2. C will refer 9 plus 4 plus 12. And finally C will refer 25. And the fourth line, print C. So print C will send output value to the standard output screen, and finally the output would be sent on output screen, which is 25. So this was about how to evaluate different kind of expressions in Python.